Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. And of course, as always, we're getting ready to get into a quick conversation about money. In this video, I'm going to give you two methods that you can use right now to start to boost your credit score. And I pretty much can guarantee that it will work because I personally used it when I was rebuilding my credit. Okay, first, let's go over the 5 pieces of our FICO pie. Number 1 is the payment history. This is your most important piece. It's 35% of your score. 15% is the length of your credit history, also very important. 10% is a pursuit of new credit, in other words, hard inquiries, how many you've had in the past 2 years. Then you have 10%, which is your credit mix. This is installment and revolving credit. Last is one that's overlooked to me, and that's your credit utilization, and that's worth 30%. And quote unquote experts say that you should keep this at 30% or less to maximize your credit score, and I think that's inaccurate information that's put out here. The sweet spot is really around 10% or less. And you're probably saying, well, 10% or less, I mean, I only got a $1,500 limit. That means I could only be using as much as $150. So instead of focusing on using less of your credit, the take that I have is to focus on increasing your credit limits. And the easiest way to do this, to me, without harming your credit score, is to use credit cards that have soft pull increases. Now, for a fact, I know that Discover, Capital One, and Wells Fargo all do this. You can get a credit limit increase with a soft pull with all 3 of those companies. Make sure you note that for Wells Fargo, it's only on the personal side, not on the business credit side. Personal side, soft pull; business credit, hard pull. So if you took your credit limit from, say, $2,000 and now you got it up to $5,000 or $6,000 or $7,000, immediately you can use a lot more credit without being over 10%. Now, does that mean you can still stay below 10%? Not exactly. Some people, it just may need to carry a little bit higher balance. But hey, even if you're at 15, 16, 17%, that's better than being at 30 or 35. Okay, so the first method is you're going to make sure that you are, really analyzing any card before you apply for a new line of credit, first and foremost. But you want to find cards that have soft pull increases. And when I was rebuilding my credit, I was able to get 2 per year using this method, and the increases were pretty big. Again, Discover, Capital One, and Wells Fargo on the personal side all have soft pull increases, and they're easy to do. I'll have another video up soon showing how I would fill out the soft pull increase. But let's go on to method number 2. Method number 2 is you are going to turn that side hustle that you're doing into an actual business. You're going to form an LLC, get an EIN number. You're going to get a business bank account, and you're going to be able to get business credit on that newer LLC with your higher credit score. What that's going to allow you to do is to use the business credit card. For instance, let's say you open an account with your local bank, whatever it is, and you get a business credit card with them for, say, $10,000. That business credit card is not reporting to your personal credit at all. So you can use the business credit card to keep the pressure off your personal credit. You can still use your personal credit and take advantage of all the rewards that come with it, like airline miles, cash back, and discounts at certain retailers and other companies. But you can keep it lower now, which is going to keep your FICO score higher, because now you have some business credit that is not reported to your personal credit that you can use to keep the personal credit utilization lower. Guys, this will help to increase your credit score, without a doubt. There is just no way around it. If you do this properly, your credit score will increase, and as the credit score is higher, this will open you to having access to better credit offers and business credit card offers. Now, with the business credit card, another caveat that I left out, most business credit cards are going to be 0% interest for a period of time. Usually the minimum is 6 months. The maximum that I've seen is like maybe 18 to 24 months. So in addition to being able to take the pressure off your personal credit, you're also going to be able to have your debt be interest-free for an extended period of time. All right, so that's all I got on this one. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, pop the notification bell so you know when something new is dropping. YouTube thinks that this is the next video you should watch, so go ahead and check it out. Until I come back with my next video, I'm out of here, guys. 100% gone.